Dividend stocks. Invest in stocks that pay dividends, allowing you to earn a share of a company's profits on a regular basis. Rental properties. Purchase real estate to rent out. Rental income can provide consistent passive cash flow. Peer-to-peer lending. Invest in peer-to-peer lending platforms where you can lend money to individuals or small businesses and earn interest. Create an online course or ebook. Share your expertise by creating and selling digital products, earning money whenever someone purchases them. Start a blog or YouTube channel. Build an audience and earn money through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Royalties from intellectual property. If you're a writer, musician, or artist, you can earn royalties from books, music, or artwork. Create an app. Develop a mobile app or software that solves a problem and generate income through sales or in-app purchases. Automated online businesses. Set up dropshipping, print-on-demand, or affiliate marketing websites that can generate income with minimal hands-on involvement. Invest in REITs. Real estate investment trusts, REITs, allow you to invest in real estate without owning physical properties. Licensing your photography or art. License your creative work to be used in advertisements, publications, or products.